This video will show you how to straighten and tame that unruly mustache. It might be getting in your mouth and perhaps curling up and frizzing towards the ends. And after this particular hack, prepare to be able to grow out your mustache longer and fuller. Enjoy. Step 1. Initial priming. You get about a 30-minute styling window after showering to ensure that your mustache and beard will listen to you throughout the day without making a fuss, so let's take advantage of that. When you jump out of the shower, dab your mustache with a clean towel until 70 to 90% of the surface moisture is gone. Then grab some argan oil heat protectant spray, spray it into your hands, and then work it through the mustache and down to the skin beneath. This may not be the case in your situation, but a potential reason as to why your mustache hair may appear wild and unmanageable towards the tips could be compromised or damaged hair cuticles, which can result in hair shaft splitting, creating split ends. Things like applying a heat-shielding argan oil before heat and using a beard conditioner in the shower can prevent this from happening. Step 2. Quick blow drying. We've removed the surface moisture, but now we want to remove the rest. Leaving your hair moist will almost always result in frizziness. Grab a blow dryer and a round brush. With the blow dryer behind the brush set to its warm setting, brush your entire mustache to the right, to the left, down, and then lastly swoop each side outwards. Blow dryer behind, straightening and drying the hairs while the round brush guides and sets the shape. Step 3. Heat brush straightening. For some of you, even after all that blow drying, you might find that the center of your mustache or the tips of your mustache still completely have a mind of their own. If so, using a beard straightening heat brush like the Aberlite GO 2 will be your savior. Set the temperature in between 320 and 380 degrees Fahrenheit, let it heat up for a minute, and then essentially repeat the last step you just did but without the blow dryer. Swoop your mustache outwards with the heat brush, working it all the way to the very tips. Repeat on both sides. Feel free to even experiment brushing down and then back out again, quite like with the blow dryer and heat brush. Working in multiple directions can promote uniformity and reduce that rebellious "I do what I want" mustache effect. Just be aware that with every stroke you do, you increase the chance that your mustache will look a little thinner and a little less full. It will be a balancing act, but this will allow you to grow your mustache so much larger. Step 4. Oil and wax. Finish your look by applying some scented oil, providing your nose neighbor with the nourishment and vibrance that it needs. And if you would like, also apply a wax. I'm using the Death Grip Mustache Wax right now, but that'll be overkill for most of you as it's beard competition grade stuff. I recommend that if you guys want some extra control to instead opt for the same company, but the Bare Bones or Sudden Death variant of the product. Bare Bones is for medium hold, suitable for 99% of mustaches, and Sudden Death is considered stronghold, but not nearly as strong as the Death Grip. And on the off chance that you're someone who's about to do some kind of cosplay or some kind of beard or mustache competition, and you really want lots of hold, something like this Brawler Bantamweight spray from Gibbs is really gonna get your mustache where you want it, I'm sure. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If this video helped you out, let me know down below in the comment section. You can write, "Hey Kaz from Aberlite, thank you for making me more handsome." Or maybe don't do that. Actually, I like that. Write that. Kaz Veselka from Aberlite signing out. Have a lovely day.